there's packages that people are selling, especially the banks, and people are buying these packages up. What is going on with that picture?
Well, the truth is, right now, whether it are short sales or foreclosure sales, most of the buyers are investors. They get together, 3 or 4 or whatever, they put their money together, and that's how they buy cash. You'll be surprised, we get cash, let's say the property is listed for $400, $450. They come up with the cash, and that's how it is right now that they are buying the properties. And then we had several offers about it. So, I mean, there are a lot of buyers out there that they cannot buy because they can only buy like an FHA. Most of them want to buy with an FHA loan, which means only 3.5% down. And there are few conventionals, but most of the other purchases are done cash. I don't know if you hear that.
Yeah, I do. Yes, there's a lot of, everybody's buying cash, and I'm turning around saying, where are they getting all this cash from? But now you just suddenly said that 4 people can come together, so they get together. So they come together. Now, who actually lives in the home, and whose home is it? Do they just sell it?
They are not. When you buy as an investment, there is no requirement to live owner-occupied. They just buy it. They refurbish the home.
There's no bank. There's no bank involved.
No,
People
it
can
isn't.
do whatever they want.
It's cash. It's a cash transaction.
Yeah, it's cash. Nobody. There are no rules that apply. You just go give them the money, and you get the keys.
So one of those 4 could rent it. One of those 4, if you know whatever the loan payment would be, if one of those 4 were going to rent it, they would have to either buy it or make the loan payment.
Well, there is no lender, no mortgage.
Yeah, I know. So it's like a trust deed. It's like a personal trust deed. If somebody wanted to, do you understand? My husband and I used to do a lot of second trust deeds to personal investors. So they would get a trust deed which didn't go through the bank, didn't go through anybody. So
well, it would be probably prudent, since Eleanor knows a lot about law. It would be very prudent for these people to start an LLC, a real estate LLC.
Most of these people, they get together, and you see this a lot in the Asian community. You'll be surprised how close these people is. They just get together, they buy this property, they refurbish the property, and a month, 2 months later, they sell it. Since right now we don't have the 90-day clause for banks, for new buyers, they can go ahead and do it, and they just sell it like this. This is what they are doing, and they get their money, they buy more properties, and then they just divide the profit between them.
So do they all live there in the meantime, or do they still have their own separate homes? Because I know a lot of them live together. They
live together. Yes, some of them live together. They have their own properties. There are different situations here.
A different way of doing business.
Yes, exactly. And you see it every day.
Well, it's no surprise because the banks are not lending. So guess what? It's human nature when something changes, we change with it.
Well, I will say
people
we adapt.
We adapt.
Yeah, we have adapted. Yes. You're right. We've adapted to this change.
Yes.
Because everything's done so differently now than what it used to be.
Oh, big time. Yes.
Right. So, just want to tell you that we're just being featured in Block TV. And we have 425 people watching us there, and a whole bunch more in the other networks. So I just want to welcome all the viewers from Block TV.
Awesome. Thank you, Block TV, for coming in.
Thank you for featuring us.
Absolutely.
If you have any questions of Eleanor or either one of us, just put it in the chat room, and we'll give you the answer. All right. So, Eleanor, do you have other people helping you in your business with all of this stuff?
Yes, I have. For the mortgage, I have loan officers, and I have in the real estate, I have another real estate agent. So I do have help. Yes.
So how many people do you have working for you?
Well, right now I only have 4.
That's good.
Well, that's a good sized small business.
Now, when you say you only have 4. I was looking, oh, where is it? Here it is. I was looking at a list here with all these houses sold, and there's so many sold here, and the price is $299, $315, $345, $350, $999. A lot of houses sold in your particular area that's gone through you. Is the business picking up, or is it just that, you know, these multiple investors are buying these properties?
As you can see there, some are REOs, some are short sales, other ones are standard sales. So I will say it is and it is not. It's like in a few months we have several listings and so on, and then we sell, and all of a sudden nothing. And then we are working at the same time list properties and work with buyers. And I have a list of buyers waiting because they do not qualify yet for a loan. We're working with them for them to be able to buy. And there are other ones that we are showing, but still, like I said, if they don't have the cash, lots of offers are being placed in different listings, and there is no luck yet. Their offers are not accepted.